So sa ngayong araw, ang Indiana Pacers naman mga kabakets ang ating gagawa ng preview para sa 2026 to 2027 season. Ito ang kanilang official lineup. Ang kanilang head coach si Rick Carlisle pa rin. Last season nagsuffer itong Pacers dahil sa dami ng mga injuries. Out ang kanilang best player na si Tyrese Haliburton. Ngayon na magbabalik na si Haliburton, bumalik na rin kaya ang Pacers sa pagiging contender sa Eastern Conference? Tara i-breakdown na natin ito. Magsisimula tayo sa guards, then forward, centers at potential starting five ng team. So ito ang mga guards. Unahin na natin si Tyrese Haliburton, ang franchise star returning from Achilles. Isang elite playmaker, may deep range, magandang court vision at kahit bata pa lang, meron ng leadership. Sa kanyang last season bago ma-injured, nag-average ito ng 18 points, 9 rebounds at 3 assists per game. Sumunod, Andrew Nembhard. Isang steady combo guard. Meron din playmaking, defense at scoring. Mataas din ang IQ nito. Mas nag-average ito last season ng 17 points, 3 rebounds at 7 assists per game. Sumunod, TJ McConnell. Isa namang veteran backup guard ng Pacers. Ang kanyang high energy, steals, playmaking at toughness ang kanyang mayahain sa team. As nag-average siya last season ng 9 points, 2 rebounds at 5 assists per game. Sumunod, Ben Shepherd. Isang young wing guard, may shooting, may depensa at energizer ng team. Last season nag-average ito ng 7 points, 3 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Quentin Jackson. Isang athletic guard, may speed at scoring burst. Nag-average ito last season ng 9 points, 2 rebounds at 3 assists per game. Sumunod, Braden Smith, ang rookie ng team. Second round 38 pick overall ng 2026 draft. At last, Johnny Furphy. Isa namang guard na may size. Yun nga lang, recovering pa rin sa kanyang knee injury. So ayan ang mga guards, dumako naman tayo sa mga forwards. Unahin na natin si Pascal Siakam, Spicy P. All-star forward, versatile scorer. Sa kanyang posisyon, magaling na playmaker, defender at reliable sa playoffs. As nag-average ito last season ng 24 points, 6 rebounds at 4 assists per game. Sumunod, Aaron Nesmith. Isa namang 3-and-D wing. Napaka-solid na shooter at tough defender. Nag-average ito last season ng 13 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Kelly Oubre Jr. Isa namang athletic wing. Delikado ito kapag uminit dahil streaky shooter ito. Meron din itong depensa as nag-average siya last season ng 14 points, 5 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Obi Toppin. Isa ring athletic na forward. Grabe ang mga in-game dunks nito. Maasahan din ang mga hustle plays nito. May depensa rin ito as nag-average ito last season ng 11 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Jarace Walker. Another young athletic forward. May depensa, rebounding at upside. As nag-average ito last season ng 11 points, 5 rebounds at 2 assists per game. At last, Larry Nance Jr. Again, another athletic, veteran, versatile forward. Magandang addition nito sa mga bigs ng Pacers. Nag-average ito last season ng 3 points, 3 rebounds at 1 assist per game. So ayan ang mga guards and forwards. Tumako naman tayo sa mga centers. Unahin na natin si Ivica Zubac. Simple lang maglaro ito pero maraming kayang gawin. Maasahan ang kanyang rebounding, rim protection at post scoring. Mas nag-average ito last season ng 14 points, 10 rebounds at 2 assists per game. At last, Jay Huff. Isa namang stretch big, may shooting at shot blocking potential. As nag-average naman ito last season ng 9 points, 4 rebounds at 1 assist per game. So dumako naman tayo sa potential starting 5 ng team. Point guard Tyrese Haliburton, shooting guard Andrew Nembhard, small forward Aaron Nesmith, power forward Pascal Siakam, at center Ivica Zubac. So itong team na to solid rin kapag healthy. Alam natin 2 years ago nakapasok ito ng NBA Finals. This season na meron ng healthy Tyrese Haliburton. Tignan natin kung saan ang mararating ng Pacers. For more NBA content, ilike nyo ng ating video at mag-subscribe na rin sa JB Buckets.